the Lust Hog Squad. We're life takers and heartbreakers. Yeah. We shoot them full of holes and fill them full of lead.
You a photographer?
No, I'm a combat correspondent.
Oh, you seen much combat?
Well, I've seen a little on TV.
You're a real comedian.
Well, they call me the Joker.
Well, I got a joke for you. I'm gonna tear you a new asshole.
Well, Pilgrim, only after you eat the peanuts out of my shit.
You talk the talk. Do you walk the walk?
Now, you might not believe it, but under fire, Animal Mother's one of the finest human beings in the world. All he needs is somebody to throw hand grenades at him the rest of his life.
Roger, come on. Sit down. Come on, you guys.